Long Beach, California, is often hailed as one of the most beautiful weather cities in the world. With its temperate climate, refreshing coastal breeze, and abundant sunshine, it offers the perfect backdrop for outdoor activities. You can stop to watch the sailboats glide by or take a moment to admire the majestic Queen Mary itself, a floating piece of history that adds charm to the coastal landscape. One of the most rewarding experiences here is taking a serene walk along the beach, especially near the iconic Queen Mary. Families laugh as they build sandcastles, adding to the vibrant energy of the scene. On a weekend morning, the scene near the Queen Mary is nothing short of magical. The sky is a vibrant blue, punctuated by wispy clouds drifting lazily overhead. The sun's golden rays dance upon the rippling waves, casting shimmering patterns across the water. The salty scent of the ocean mingles with the cool, crisp breeze that kisses your face, creating an invigorating yet calming sensation. As you stroll along the sandy shore, the sand feels soft beneath your feet, slightly cool in the morning shade yet warming pleasantly as the day progresses. Seagulls call from above, gliding effortlessly through the air, while the occasional boat hums in the distance. The rhythmic sound of waves lapping against the coast creates a soothing soundtrack, grounding you in the present moment. Joggers pass by, some with earbuds in, while others simply revel in the sound of nature. Walking in this picturesque environment is not just about taking in the beauty, it's also one of the best things you can do for your health. Studies show that walking improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and boosts mood. The natural beauty of Long Beach only enhances these benefits, reducing stress and encouraging mindfulness. As you walk, your mind clears, and creative thoughts often emerge. The path near the Queen Mary offers plenty of opportunities to pause and appreciate your surroundings.
Oh my gosh, you're a brave girl.
The gentle sea breeze keeps you cool, making even a brisk walk feel pleasant and invigorating. For those seeking social connection, walking along the beach can be a delightful way to bond with family, friends, or even meet new people.
Yeah, that's the place for you to walk.
Walking groups frequently gather here, sharing conversations as they enjoy the scenic route.
Tengamos que andar vacunados todos.
For solo walkers, the beach offers a sense of solitude and peace, perfect for reflection and rejuvenation. Long Beach's perfect weather, coupled with its stunning coastal scenery, makes walking here an experience everyone should embrace. Whether you're a local or a visitor, taking a stroll by the Queen Mary is an ideal way to nurture your body, mind, and soul. So lace up your walking shoes, head to the coast, and let the beauty of Long Beach inspire you to take that first step toward better health and well-being.